Hello guys and girls, and welcome back to another video. So in this one I will share my simple 1 hour day trading forex strategy that I use on a day-to-day basis. Right, so let's jump here straight into the live markets and I will show you exactly how I'm using this strategy. So let's do this. So guys, we are right here on the EuroCAD on a daily time frame, and for those who are asking guys, we have here a period moving average and a 21 period moving average to determine whether I want to buy or sell. Alright, so what we always do first on the daily time frame, we zoom out and look where is the market are going. We can clearly see that we have here this major upwards movement. Okay, we can as well see that we have here the period moving average is above the 21, indicates me that we are on a bullish scenario right here. So when we got this, when we know the direction, we also have here higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, right? So when we got this right here, we want to look out for major key support and resistance areas, guys. I always and only trade support and resistance, or supply and demand, what you want to call it, it's all the same. So what we will want to look out for is a level that tested multiple times, and you can clearly right here see that we have here multiple tests. All right, so you can mark this here out, guys. By marking out and extend it to the right hand side, you have here a clean zone that you can trade from. Now this one right here is a major sideways movement. You can see this, we have here this major sideways movement. Now this becomes a very strong support and resistance area, but we also trade break and retest areas. So when we have here this upwards movement, right, the market creating here higher highs and higher lows, we always want here this breakthrough from the last higher high, and then we want here this pullback. Then on this pullback we want to look out for entries on the 1 hour time frame to push this market higher. Alright, so this is as well a key support and resistance area right here. Okay, but this support and resistance area is weaker than this one right here because we tested here multiple times and we have here only a one structure point right here. Okay, so when we delete this whole drawing right here and draw this back again out, so this was our clean support and resistance area right here, and this right here is our break and retest, guys. You can see this very clearly. We come here up, creating here this higher low, break through, comes back to test this high, and then we're shooting back to the upward side. As well as here, guys, you can clearly see that we are here shooting to the upward side, breaking the last high, coming back, retesting it. So guys, now how we can trade these support and resistance areas right here. So let's go now here on the replay mode, and we are going from this area right here. So we have said we have here a clean break and retest. Okay, what the market here as well is doing, we have here a low, we have here a lower high, we have here a lower low. The market shifts in market structure right here, creating here a higher low, creating here a higher high, comes back, creating here a higher low. And as well we are switching from bearish to bullish on the EMAs as well. So we have here clean signs that the market wants to go higher and not lower, and we have as well here a clean support and resistance area. So why is this right here a key support and resistance area? We can see the market push it up. We are staying on this area. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 tests on this area. The market don't want to break through, and then we can see how impulsively the market breaks through and comes here back with a retest. And now what we have right here, clean trading setup. Now we can do as well here the Fibonacci's in from the last low to the high right here. We can as well see we have here the 618 as well. So let's jump here to the 1 hour time frame and let's see what the market gives us right here. So now we can see on the 1 hour time frame that we have here multiple tests of the structure point. We're coming back, and you can as well see, for those who are asking as well, guys, we have here 50 EMA and a 200 EMA. So we can clearly see we are shifting from bearish to bullish on the 1 hour time frame as well. So this is a key sign to look out for buying opportunities. Now when I play this a little bit forward right here, we're looking out for double bottoms or engulfing patterns right in this zone. So let's play this a little bit further out. We can as well see that we have here a clean engulfing pattern. So you can go here in with a buy position, stops goes underneath this zone. We are targeting the last high, right? So this is approximately 1.4. So let's play this a little bit further out. As you can see, the market nearly takes out my stop loss right here, but we are still good and we are in this trade. So let's play this now further out. You can see market shoots up and takes out my take profit. So let's say the market comes here down, takes out your stop loss right here, okay? So don't be afraid to enter the second time, guys. So when you lose your 1%, no matter when the market decides to create here these massive candles to the upward side, then enter here with a buy position. Alright, so enter right here with a buy position, stops, goes underneath this low right here, and you target in the last high. So it's approximately a 1.2 right here. Okay, so let's go here back to the daily time frame to analyze this a little bit further, guys. So we have here now this clean impulse to the upward side. So what we want to look out now is this clean support and resistance zone right here. So the market now can decide to push you up, and then some sellers stepping here back in on the support and resistance area and push the market down. But when we get here this breakthrough and this retest of this zone, then we have here a clean zone to enter. Okay, so let's play this a little bit further out, see what happens. So you can see that market shoots here to the upward side. So in this zone you want here to put alarm in, and then you can switch to the 1 hour time frame, and you can wait that the market here breaks through this zone. And right here what you can see, the market here immediately breaks through, get this retest, you can enter here right away, and the market pushes to the upward side. But you can as well watch out for a bigger correction. So when the market here breaks here through, you want to look out for a bigger correction back into this zone, and then you can look out for further upside on this chart. So let's play this now on the daily time frame a little bit further out, as we can see what's happening right here. So let's play this a little bit further out. You can see the market comes here back, testing my zone. So let's jump here to the 1 hour time frame. And now you can really clean see that we have here a clean correction back, guys. What is this right here? Is that we have here this impulse, we have here this flag formation to the downward side, and now we are just waiting either for this double top right here, or here again the push down and an engulfing pattern. All right, so let's play this a little bit further out to see what happens right here. Now you can see, guys, that the market here shoots through, breaking my zone and going further to the downward side. So that is not meaning that we are looking out for sells. Why? Because we have here the 50 is above the 200. We are still looking for buying positions. Daily, the 8 period moving average is still above the 21 period moving average. We are still looking for buy positions. Now what we can now see is we are breaking this first support and resistance areas, but when we are looking here a little bit lower, you can as well see, guys, that we have here another clean support and resistance area. What we have right here, market pushes up, testing 1, 2, 3, 4 times, guys. So this, when I go here to the 1 hour time frame, this is a very clean support and resistance area. You can see this now on the 1 hour. It makes so much more sense, guys. We have here a clean upwards trend. We have here this support and resistance area where the market now comes into, and when I draw here this trend line in as well, guys, you can actually see that we are testing this trend line as well. What we have here, multiple tests of this trend line, we have a support and resistance area, and now you can enter right away on this trade. So when I go here into the buy position, my stop goes underneath the trend line, and underneath this zone right here we are targeting what? The last high. So it's approximately 1.3 risk to reward. So let's play this now out and see what happens, guys. So the market tumbles a little bit around, but it decides now to push up. Now what's happening right now is you can look out for a second entry. Why? Because we are pushing up on this last support and resistance area that we drawn out right here. We're pushing up, and now we want here this correction back into the support and resistance area. Then you can look out for buying positions. So let's play this a little bit further out. You can see the market tests this zone, and we're getting here a little bit of a nice and clean bullish sign with this candle. So you can immediately go here in with a buy position, stops, goes underneath this zone right here. We targeting the last high, approximately 1.2. So let's play this now out and see what's happening. You can see the market comes a little bit further down and then pushes to the upward side. So we have here a 1.3 and we have here a 1.2, guys. So guys, you can see how accurate it is when you have the multiple signs that the market wants to go up and the market wants to stop on a specific level, and then you can easily enter with either buy or selling position right here. But I recommend that always go with the trend, never go against the trend, guys. That's the key on the strategy right here. So let's jump here back to the daily time frame and let's look here out for another trade opportunity. So we have here now this breakthrough from this last high right here, guys. So what we have looking out now is next is a pullback into the zone. But when I go here on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we already breaking the zone, guys. We already breaking the zone and we already getting here this retest. So when we get here a nice and clean engulfing pattern, we can watch out for buying positions. All right. So let's play this a little bit further out, and we can see right here that the market wants to push up. Buyers stepping here back in. So let's jump here back in with a buy position and let's target a 1.2 right here. Okay, so let's play this now out and see what's happening. We're pushing here straight up and taking out my take profit, guys. So you can now see my whole fundamental right here. So I have said we are taking here, when we have a sideways move, I push up, we're taking here the support and resistance areas because we tested it here multiple times on a daily time frame, so it becomes a strong support and resistance area. But you can also trade it like this with a break and retest strategy right here. So with these two scenarios right here, you can find so much opportunities all over the markets, alright? And you don't need to go lower, such as the 1 hour time frame, guys. You get endless amount of trades on the 1 hour time frame when you look out for these scenarios right here. And of course, always trade with the trend, okay, guys? I always use this strategy on a daily basis and I am always successful with this strategy. I don't switch strategies because this is working for me, guys. And when you find out there a strategy that it works for you, then you should definitely put your work into the strategy. You don't want to trade what all others are trading, alright? So when all others are trading SMC and you want to trade SMC but SMC is not for you, then you probably will fail in Forex trading, okay? So you need to find a strategy that fits you, that suits you, and then you put all your work into the strategy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe and happy trading.